Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can download and install the Hades 2 game into your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First you have to open up your any browser. In the Google search box just type the Hades 2 and hit the enter. Scroll down and you will see the Steam website which is the Hades 2 on Steam. Just click on that website to open it. So once you open the Steam website, click on the login option you are seeing on the top. And now here you have to just simply sign into your account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account just scroll down and click on the create an account option you are seeing in the bottom. So you can just simply create an account, simply give your email address and give your all the information and then simply click on the continue option. So after you create an account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, click on the install Steam for Windows option. So now once you click on that, it will start downloading the setup of Steam. Then just click on that setup to open it and start installing the process. So now here, just click on the next option and then select the language and then click on the next and then just simply select the destination where you want to install and then simply click on the install option. So once you install the Steam into your PC, just open that and now here in the search box just type the Hades to game and then hit the enter, and now the first game will come up which is the Hades 2. Just click on that game to open it. So once you open the game, scroll down and you will see the option add to cart. It is the $10. So you can pay absolutely the $10 to play it. So now here click on the view my card. So when you click on it here, you just need to click on the continue to payment option. Then here you can just simply pay with your PayPal and pay with your any card, and then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Hades 2 game into your PC. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.